Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 1 applications of matrices and determinants. Today in exercise 1.7 you are going to see first sum, solve the following system of homogeneous equations. Subdivision 2, they are given three homogeneous equations. They have got on the right hand side 0, so we say they are homogeneous equations. Homogeneous equations are the planes which pass through the origin. All the equations pass through the origin. Okay, so only we get two solutions. Two types is, one is the trivial solution. When will you get trivial solution? When the rank of augmented matrix A comma O is equal to rank of A equal to number of unknown 3. And second type is going to be non-trivial solution, that is infinitely many solution. Further, the condition is rank of augmented matrix A comma O equal to rank of A, but it will be less than 3. It can be 2 or 1. Okay. So for that we have to write our augmented matrix A comma O and then reduce it to the row echelon form. What is row echelon form? Below the principal diagonal you will reduce all the elements to 0, and the 0 should be in increasing order from row 2. And in the first column you use the row 1 for the help to reduce it to 0. For the second column you use the help of R2, and the first element should be always 1. Okay. So now here we are going to write, here we have got a 1 here in the second equation. So I am going to write it as the first equation. So x minus y minus 2z equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 0. And 3x plus y plus 3z equal to 0. Now what is our Ax equal to O? It's going to be 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 1, 3, 1 and 3. This is going to be our A, and our x is the x, y and z our unknowns, and O is going to be our 0 matrix that is in the right hand side. Now we are going to write A comma O, the augmented matrix. It's going to be 1 minus 1 minus 2 0, 2 3 minus 1 0, 3 1 3 and 0. Drop the line and close the augmented matrix. Now below this one you are going to make this 2 and 3 to 0. For that you are going to get the help of row 1. So our row 2 is going to be row 2 minus 2 row 1. Similarly our row 3 is going to be row 3 minus 3 row 1. Okay, that is our row 2. 2 3 minus 1 and 0, 2 minus 2 minus 4 and 0. Change the sign, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So equal and opposite 0, this gets cancelled. This is both of same sign plus, and here it is minus, so it is 5 and 3. Okay, this is going to be our row 2. Now coming to our row 3, 3 1 3 and 0, 3 minus 3 minus 6 and 0. Changing the sign, plus to minus and minus to plus. Equal and opposite gets cancelled 0. This is the same sign 4, this is the same sign 9, 4 and 9. Okay, now this is going to be our row 3. Now we shall write our equivalent matrix. 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 0, 0 5 3 and 0, 0 4 9 and 0. Drop the line and close the augmented matrix. Now next below this 5 you are going to bring this 4 to 0. For that you are going to get the help of row 2. So our row 3 is going to be 5 into row 3 minus 4 into row 2. Okay, so what is 5 row 3? 0, 20, 5 9s are 45 and 0. 4 into row 2, 0 again 20, 4 3s are 12 and 0. Changing the sign, both are plus, so minus, equal and opposite you get 0 and 0. And 45 minus 12 is going to give you 33. Okay, so this is going to be our row 3. Now our equivalent matrix, 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 0, 0 5 3 and 0, 0 0 33 and 0. This is going to be our augmented matrix, and below the principal diagonal we have reduced everything to 0. So this is in our row echelon form. Okay, now we are going to calculate the number of non-zero rows. First row, second row and third row, and in the 3 cross 3 A matrix, first row, second row and third row. Therefore rank of augmented matrix A comma O is 3. Rank of A 3 cross 3 is also 3, and N is also 3. Therefore rank of augmented matrix equal to rank of A equal to N equal to 3. Therefore we get the trivial solution. What is the trivial solution? x is equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0 is going to be our trivial solution, because all the planes pass through the origin, okay, in different direction but pass through the origin, so they get the unique solution, x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. The same way, the same type, you can also practice this same model sum. Example 1.35 is also the same way. It is equal, rank of augmented matrix A comma O equal to rank of A equal to n equal to 3. Therefore this both the sums are of the same model. If you practice these two, you will get used to the steps. It's nothing, it's very easy, as you have done in the last exercise. Row echelon form, you are reducing the elements below the principal diagonal to 0 and then writing the number of non-zero rows to find the rank, okay. And here you have got only two divisions of finding the solution. One is the trivial solution and another one is the non-trivial solution, infinitely many solution, okay. It's very easy and interesting. Thank you.